Hello everyone, welcome to our virtual learning. This is the explanation for your assignment for Monday and Tuesday this week, which is the 20th and the 21st. This week we're going to continue to study forces, and we're going to very specifically study the difference between contact and non-contact forces. So for Monday and Tuesday, I have a vocabulary lesson for you to do. So I want to walk you through how to do that. When you are here on your in your Canvas on your assignments page, you're going to click on the lesson that's titled Monday, April 20th, Tuesday, April 21st. Click on that, and you're going to see this is the assignment. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to open up your picture vocabulary. When you click this link, it will take you to a Google slideshow. It looks like this. It's like PowerPoint, but Google. And as you go through all of the slides, just click through them, you're going to see the different terms that we're talking about this week. We have gravity, gravitational attraction, Newton's law of universal gravitation, mass, the electromagnetic spectrum, distance, electricity. Those are our terms. So you are going to use this slideshow. I'm going to go back into assignments. You're going to open up this document called Forces Picture Vocabulary. So you're going to open that. When it opens, you're going to want to save this document. So you hit OK. You'll see it is a Word document. So you're going to need to go through the slideshow. And as you go through and you read through the slideshow, you're going to type in this document the definitions of all the terms. Once you're all done, you'll do File, Save As. I'm just going to save it in my downloads. And then you can upload your assignment here and submit it to me. So this is your assignment for Monday and Tuesday of this week. Bye.